January. Please sit straight, close your eyes. We will chant the Omkaram first 5 times, then move forward. Om. स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्रीजगन्नाथो मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः ममात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते। नारायणि नमोस्तुते। नारायणि नमोस्तुते। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। श्रीरामकृष्णायेति समर्पयामि। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् Urvarukamiv bandhana mrutyormukshiyamamrutat. Now the sacred Gayatri Mantram, please. Take a deep breath, and while releasing the breath, you chant the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. We meditate on the spiritual effulgence of that adorable, supreme divine reality, the source of the three phenomenal worlds. May that supreme divine being stimulate our intelligence so that we may realize the supreme truth. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Dyau Shantirantariksham Shanti Prithvi Shanti Apaha Shanti Oshadayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shanti Vishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvam Shanti Shantireva Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May there be peace in heaven, peace in the sky. May there be peace on earth. May there be peace in the water. May there be peace in the trees. May there be peace in the gods. May there be peace in Brahman. May there be peace in all. May the peace, real peace, be mine. Om Yaschandasam Rishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyodhyamritat Sambhabhuva Samendro Medhaya Spranotu Amritasya Devadharano Bhuyasam Shariram Me Vicharshanam Jihva Me Madhumattama Karnabhyam Bhuri Vishruvam Brahmana Koshosi Medhaya Pihitaha Shrutam Me Gopaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May He, the Lord of all, preeminent among the Vedas and superior to the nectar contained in them, bless me with wisdom. May I be adorned with the knowledge of Brahman that leads to immortality. May my body become strong and vigorous to practice meditation. May my tongue always utter delightful words. May I hear much with my ears. Thou art the scabbard of Brahman, hidden by worldly taints. May I never forget all that I have heard or all that I have learned. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Please close your eyes, everybody. Do not open at any time. Deep meditation. Sri Ramakrishna Dhyana Shloka. Om Hridaya Kamala Madhye Rajitam Nirvikalpam Sadasada Bheda Atitam Ekaswarupam Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam Nityamanandamurtim Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. We meditate, we worship the stainless great swan, Sri Ramakrishna, resplendent in the lotus of the heart, who is free from changes, who is the unitary being beyond all differences between the existence and non-existence, who is devoid of the modifications of nature and is always the embodiment of bliss. Vikaramulu leda marpulu lenivadu ante janma astitvam vruddhi parinamam apakshayam vinasham vanti shadvida vikaralu lenivadu. Sat asat akila bedatitam. Satyamu asatyamu dharma dharmalu manchi chedulanu భేదములకు అతీతుడు, అవిభక్తుడు, ప్రకృతి కలుగచేసే మార్పులకు అతీతుడు, సదా ఆనంద స్వరూపుడు, దేదీప్యమానంగా ప్రకాశించేవాడు, నిరంజనుడు, కల్మషం లేనివాడు, నా హృదయ కమలంపై కొలువై ఉన్నవాడు అయిన పరమహంస శ్రీరామకృష్ణులను ధ్యానిస్తున్నాను. నిరుపమమతి సూక్ష్మం నిష్ప్రపంచం నిరీహం గగన సదృశమీశం సర్వభూతాధివాసం త్రిగుణరహిత సచ్చిద్ బ్రహ్మరూపం వరేణ్యం విమల పరమహంసం రామకృష్ణం భజామః. We worship, we meditate on the stainless great swan called Sri Ramakrishna, who is beyond compare, very subtle, devoid of diversity, desireless, vast as the sky, the master of the world, the abode of all creatures, devoid of the three gunas and the image of existence, knowledge, bliss absolute, and the one to be desired for. Anupamamayudu, atyanta sukshma vartanam kalavadu, parishuddhudu, bhedarahitudu, korikalu lenivadu, ఆకాశం వలె విశాలమైనవాడు, విశ్వనాయకుడు, సకల జీవరాశులకు ఆశ్రయుడు, త్రిగుణాలకు అతీతమైనవాడు, సకల మానవాళి కోరదగిన సచ్చిదానంద స్వరూపుడు, నిరంజనుడు, కల్మషం లేనివాడు అయిన పరమహంస శ్రీరామకృష్ణులను ధ్యానిస్తున్నాను. వితరితుమవతీర్ణం జ్ఞానభక్తి ప్రశాంతి ప్రణయగలిత చిత్తం జీవదుఃఖాసహిష్ణుం ధృత సహజ సమాధిం చిన్మయం కోమలాంగం విమల పరమహంసం రామకృష్ణం భజామః. విమల పరమహంసం రామకృష్ణం భజామః. We meditate, we worship the stainless great swan called Sri Ramakrishna, who has incarnated to distribute knowledge, devotion, and tranquility, whose mind has as if melted with love, who is unable to bear the pain of the creatures, who is in the state of samadhi, his natural disposition, who is filled with consciousness, and who has tender limbs. జ్ఞానము, భక్తి, ప్రశాంతతలను యథేచ్ఛగా అనుగ్రహించడానికి అవతరించినవాడు, ప్రేమ రస సంపూర్ణమైన హృదయం కలవాడు, జీవుల దుఃఖాలను చూసి సహించలేనివాడు, సహజ సిద్ధంగా సదా సమాధివిష్టుడై ఉండేవాడు, చైతన్య ప్రపూర్ణుడు, కోమల శరీరుడు అయిన పరమహంస శ్రీరామకృష్ణులను ధ్యానిస్తున్నాను. విమల పరమహంసం రామకృష్ణం భజామహ. విమల పరమహంసం రామకృష్ణం భజామహ. Now chanting of the Omkaram 27 times non-stop with full devotion, concentration and Shraddha, faith. Dive deep into yourself, into the world of joy, into the ocean of bliss, all within yourself. The energy of listening, seeing, touching, smelling, tasting, whatever is going outside, control and turn that energy, collect that energy and concentrate in your own heart. Continue to chant the Om. Just allow these powerful, pure, positive vibrations to enter into your mind, the subconscious mind, the storehouse of all things, good, bad, useful, useless, etc. And the Omkaram will burn all into ashes. Om iti idagam sarvam akara ukara makara iti pranabo dhanuhu sharohi atma brahmatallakshamuchyate apramattena vettavyam sharavat tanmayo bhavet. The Shara, that is the Atma, should merge with the Paramatma, the Supreme Brahman, the Parabrahman, in meditation. Sri Ramakrishna is the Parabrahman, the Supreme Consciousness, Chit Ghanakai, embodied as Sri Ramakrishna, all in your heart, Hridaya Kamala Madhye. Now those who have taken Mantra Diksha can repeat the mantram, the sacred mantram, blessed to you, bestowed to you by your Guru, maybe our Sangha Guru, President Maharaj, or the Vice President Maharaj, or earlier Swami Ranganathananda ji or Vireshwarananda ji or anybody, later people in other parts of the country or in Hyderabad. Think of your Guru, the second day of the new year. Pray for Gnana Bhakti Vivek Vairagyam, Shanti, Bhakti. In your meditation, think of Parama Shakti, Parama Shanti, Parama Shraddha, Parama Bhakti, Parama Gnanam, and Paramananda. The six is our property, is our wealth, divine wealth, Daivi Sampat. I repeat again, pray to Sri Ramakrishna to bless you, your family and others with Parama Shanti, Parama Shakti, Parama Shraddha, Parama Bhakti, Parama Jnanam, and Paramananda. Now selfless universal prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaः, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet, sarvastaratu durgani, sarvo bhadrani pashyatu, sarvasad buddhima apnotu, सर्वत्र नंदतु, दुर्जन सज्जनो भूयात्, सज्जन शांति माप्नुयात्, शांतो मुच्येत बंदेभ्यो, मुक्तश्चान्यान् विमोचयेत्। ओम असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। श्री राम कृष्णार्पणमस्तु। Think of the Supreme Being in the form of Sri Ramakrishna, your chosen deity, Sarva Deva Devi Swarupaya, Sri Ramakrishnaya Namaha, Sri Ramakrishnaya Swaha. Mentally offer your salutations. Think of Holy Mother, Sri Sharda Devi, Jagat Janani, Jagat Mata, Jagadamba, Jagat Dhatri, Saraswati, Mahalakshmi, and offer your pranam, offer your namaskar, salutations. Think of Swami Vivekananda, offer your pranam, offer your salutations. Think of all great teachers, all great saints, known and unknown, personally or impersonally, wherever they are, offer your pranam, great teachers and saints whose teachings we all have inherited. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Yes, namaste to everybody. Very good evening. Shubha Sandhya, Susandhya. And we have entered into the new year, the second day, 2022, 2022 AD. Very interesting. Already 2 days have passed away, have gone away. What have we done? What are we doing? Are we in the present or still in 2020 or 2021? Are we in the right direction? Are we logged on to the super coach, super locomotive called Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharada, Swami Vivekananda, and our Guru, and the great traditions of India, and the 15 direct disciples apart from Swamiji, constantly recollecting their qualities. Each one is a universe. Each one is a Brahmanda. Each one is a galaxy by themselves. From Sri Ramakrishna onwards. And it goes on till Swami Vijnanananda ji was the last direct disciple to leave his body. So who are they? What are we doing? How are we fulfilling their teachings, gratitude, Rishirunam? As a Hindu, whoever you are, wherever you are, 5 runams have to be taken care of before you die. One is Rishirunam, very important. The great sages have given us so much knowledge, treasure, wisdom, vivekam, and without reading their teachings in the form of Upanishads or the Shankara Stotras or Ramanuja Stotras, they're all rishis, and followed by the great saints, Bhakti movement. So when you read, it is not just for an exam or for a time pass. You are reading for a purpose. You are reading for knowledge. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. So, see here, mother's qualities, Brahma Shakti, Brahma Vidya, Sharadamba Jaya Jaya. Brahma Shakti, Brahma Vidya, Sharadamba Jaya Jaya. Saraswati Mahamaya, Matra Devi Jaya Jaya. Who is she? Brahma Shakti. Without Shakti, no Purusha. The whole world is moving because of the Shakti. You may have a wonderful car, a wonderful refrigerator, but no Shakti, it is a dead body, inert matter. Because the Shakti is there, you find the water is becoming cool or hot. We forget that. We think our ego is doing that, and we get nice beatings from nature. And there is a poem saying which says, nature gives a rap on the knuckles and the man howls in pain. Nature gives a rap on the knuckles because of the ego. Mother will remove that ego if we surrender. Brahma Shakti, Brahma Vidya, the supreme knowledge, Para Vidya. Sharadamba, Saraswati, Mahamaya, Matra Devi, Jaya Jaya. And who is Swamiji? Vishwaguru, Vishwavandya, Vivekananda, Jaya Jaya. Then Manasaputra, Bhavaputra, Ramakrishna, Bhavaputra, Brahmananda, Jaya Jaya. For those who don't know, Sri Ramakrishna prayed to Mother Sharada. Pray to Mother Sharada. Pray to Mother Kali. Oh Mother, I am tired of this worldly talk. And my lips are burning. Listening to that and talking about worldly matters. Samsara tapatre always, occasionally okay. So please send somebody who will understand me, who will be with me, and who will be a replica of my teachings. Then one day, Sri Ramakrishna is standing on the Ganga, on the bank of the Ganga, and suddenly there's a beautiful 1,000-petal lotus. 1,000 petals, Sahasradala Padma, fully blossomed. The whole Ganga was occupied by that lotus. This mystic vision which Sri Ramakrishna had. And then he saw a young boy dancing on the lotus. Beautiful dance, a delicate dance. And another boy by his side also came in the vision. Two boys dancing. And Mother Kali appeared and showed one of the boys there and said, "He is your son. He is your son." Sri Ramakrishna shuddered. My son? Will I also have the son in the normal sense of the term? Mother Kali smiled at Sri Ramakrishna and said, "No, no, no. Not in that sense, as your son, physical, biologically born. No. He will be your Manasaputra, mind-born son, because you wanted somebody as per your thoughts. So Manasaputra, how do you translate into English? Mind-born son. But here beautiful word is Bhavaputra. Ramakrishna's feelings came as Swami Brahmananda. And when Brahmanji was walking from backside, who saw him, even the direct disciples were confused. Forget about his own disciple. They saw Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna is walking. And entire bhava, entire expression was that of Sri Ramakrishna. So, Ramakrishna Bhavaputra Brahmananda Jaya Jaya. Next, Mahapurusha Mahayogi Shivananda Jaya Jaya, the second president. Mahapurush Maharaj. These are all birudus given by Swami Vivekananda himself. And Brahmananda was called Raja, Raja Maharaj. What a wonderful name, king. Sri Ramakrishna said he will be a king. He can rule a kingdom like an emperor, not ordinary small office or one CEO of a company, an entire kingdom. And Swamiji said, "You are our Raja." And then Mahapurush, Swami Shivananda, Vivekananda called him, "Brother Tarak, Tarakda. From today you will be known as Mahapurush." Why Mahapurush? You have totally controlled your sense organs. All the 5 indriyas, or 10 indriyas, karma indriyas 5, gnana indriyas 5. One who has controlled is a Mahapurush. Swamiji himself called Mahapurusha Mahayogi Shivananda Jaya Jaya. Then we have Yogananda. Jagannathu Preetiputra Yogananda Jaya Jaya. Nobody could go to Holy Mother. Nobody. The first disciple who became Holy Mother's Sevak after Sri Ramakrishna's this departure was Yogananda. Why? He was pure to the marrow of the bone. So Yogananda ji served Mother till 1911. Siddha Yogi Mahatyagi Turiyananda Jaya Jaya. Swamiji gave him the name Harinath, Harida, Haribai. He became Turiyananda. What is Turiyananda? Jagratavastha, Shushupti Avastha, Swapnavastha, Shushupti Avastha, Turiyavastha. And this Swami, he is living in the 4th state always, 24/7. Hardly the mind would come down. This was just a flesh cage for him, cage like a cloth. One day he's walking in New York. Swamiji took him to America, though he protested. But Swamiji's love, Swamiji's care, Swamiji's suggestion, request, Turiyanji was melted like butter. So he went to New York. He's walking in New York, fashionable streets of America. And suddenly he saw all these people, the pedestrians, the customers, they're all with worldly thoughts and lust and greed and bodily attachments. He could not bear it. He could not tolerate it. It was so painful. He walked in the center of the road, and like a madman, it seems, he shouted, "Break the cage, break the cage. Come out of it. You are the Atman, you are a lion." He's shouting in New York, in the streets of Manhattan. Those who have gone there will understand. Oof. And it was such effect. Normally you shout, I shout, the police will beat me or beat you and take you to the mental hospital. But Turiyanji's effect, his words were so convincing. All the people were stunned like a scorpion bite. They were just staring. They felt the spiritual vibrations of the Turiya Avastha. So that is Turiyananda. So one incident I am telling you. Prema Rupa Shanti Data Premananda Jaya Jaya. Premananda was Radha's incarnation. Sri Ramakrishna says. And only he could touch Sri Ramakrishna's body. Only he. Nobody else. Because Sri Ramakrishna was Shuddha Sattva, the highest quality of a yogi. And only Premanandaji had the, what you call, permission or the capacity to touch Sri Ramakrishna. Forget about the other things. Then, Paramahamsa Dasa Dasa Adbhutananda Jaya Jaya. Wonderful. He came as a servant boy. The only disciple who came from Bihar, non-Bengali, from general point of view. We are not distinguishing, just for statistical statistical purpose, I am just. Among the 16, the only one who came from other part of the country, Bihar, Chapra, shepherd boy, Gollodu. He came as a servant and then he became Adbhutananda. Who gave the name? Vivekananda himself. Latu, Latu. From today you will be called Adbhutananda. And Vivekananda says, if Sri Ramakrishna has done any miracle, it is this. He has converted a shepherd boy into a Mahapurush, into a great saint, where Veda Vedanta's truths would come from his mouth, from his heart, through the mouth. Adbhutananda was Sri Ramakrishna's sevak, and he did seva to Holy Mother also for many years, when Mother went for pilgrimage after Sri Ramakrishna's passing away. So like that, all the disciples, Gunashila, Gunatita, Trigunatita, Jaya Jaya, Sarva Karma Marma Darshi, Abhedananda, Jaya Jaya, Vishwa Premi Vimala Hridaya, Akhandananda, Jaya Jaya, Nitya Yogi Sunirmala, Niranjanananda, Jaya Jaya. These are the qualities which they manifested in their life. Bala Bhava, Bala Shila, Subodhananda, Jaya, childlike. Bala Bhava, child. Childlikeness. We all have what? Childishness. But Subodhanji had childlikeness. You see him, you will feel he is a small child. Paramahamsa Kripapapta Advaitananda Jaya Jaya. Among the disciples, older than Sri Ramakrishna in age. So he came much later, but he obtained the blessings of grace of Sri Ramakrishna. Gnana Rupa Shanta Bhava, Vijnanananda Jaya Jaya. He was a Gupta yogi. Vijnananji was a Gupta yogi. Inside he was a yogi. And his dress was peculiar. His behavior was peculiar. He had a large coat, big coat, long coats, especially in Allahabad, so much cold. In winter season, he used to wear thick coats up to the ankle. And that coat had a lot of big pockets. Vijnananandaji. And in the pockets, he would keep so many things for children. Chocolates, some pens, and some things he used to keep all that. And Mahagupta Yogi, he went to Triveni Sangam. There he had the darshan of the Mother, divine mother, with 3 plates of hair, 3 plates. One was Narmada, one Yamuna, Ganga, and Saraswati. And mother merged in that, and Vignanji took bath there and felt blessed. Allahabad was his fort. He built up the Allahabad Ramakrishna Mission Center there. His room is there. His teacups and other things, bed and shoes are all worshipped there. They're relics for us. Vignanandaji. And he used to ask somebody coming, devotee is coming, hey, come here. Have you seen a ghost? Your first question, if devotee coming, you ask him, have you seen a ghost? What will they think? They were shivering. They said, Swamiji, no, no, no. Hare, he is standing in front of you. I am the ghost. Pancha bhutas are there, is said. Pancha bhutas. What is bhuta? Ghost. Is it not? So he used to make pun. Bhuta means ghost. Bhuta means element. What are the 5 elements inside your body, my body? So I am having 5 ghosts. You are all having 5 ghosts. But we don't realize it. That's all. We are worried about our watch. We are worried about our dress. We are worried about our specs. We are worried about our makeup. But Vignanji said, these are all bhutas, pancha bhutas. Agni tattvam, jala tattvam, akasha tattvam, bhutatvam, vayu tattvam. 5 ghosts are 5 bhutas. Used to indicate that subtle, this deep inner spiritual matter. He used to convey it through these funny stories. Next, Matru Bhakta Matru Sevi Sharadananda Jaya Jaya. Sharadananda ji. Next, we have Ramakrishna Seva Premi Shashi Maharaj Jaya Jaya. Because the meter is not there, so they have added pre-monastic name. He is Ramakrishnananda. Who gave the name Ramakrishnananda? Vivekananda said, Brother Shashi, you are much devoted to Sri Ramakrishna than me. So you will be known as Ramakrishnananda from today. And because of Ramakrishnan-ji, all the states, all the important cities, centers in South India, the first apostle, first disciple who came away from Kolkata, from Dakshineshwar, from Alambazar, from Baranagar to South India, in Chennai, and Chennai to Bangalore, Bangalore to Mysore, and Mysore to Kerala, Trivandrum, Kanyakumari, and Pala and other centers, and coming to Andhra Pradesh, Machilipatnam, Vijayawada. One man. What you are doing? Sitting in front of Zoom. What am I doing? Sitting in front of Zoom and talking. And that is the biggest test for us. And that Swami travels by bullock cart, doesn't touch money. There's a book, Ramakrishnananda ji, as we saw him. Read that book. You will understand what is his contribution in South India. Amazing. Okay. So Shashi Maharaj Jaya Jaya, Deva Deva Mahadeva Ramakrishna Jaya Jaya, Purna Brahma Purna Shakti Ramakrishna Jaya Jaya. So these are 16 disciples. We have to think about them today, tomorrow, and the next 16 days. Shodashakala Purushaha. Okay. That will make our life blessed. Our progress much intense, much divine. Okay. So these are some of the important tips on the 2nd of January, New Year. Yesterday we had Kalpataru Utsav all over the world, and thousands and thousands and going to lakhs of devotees in their own way, in spite of the corona infection spreading or Omicron spreading, whatever, but still devotees came to Hyderabad Mutt, devotees went to Delhi Mutt, Belur Mutt, of course, closed for 3-4 days, and other centers wherever they are. Little by little, they went in restrictions, helpless. And last Sunday, we did not have the Satsangam because it was Holy Mother Sharda Devi's 169th birthday. So 2 important events in our festival calendar was Holy Mother's birthday, Kalpataru Day, and again 12th January coming up in another 10 days. Then Sankranti, Pandaga. Then we have Swamiji's birthday, 25th of January, Tithi Puja. Then later, of course, February, March, Shivaratri and Shri Ramakrishna Jayanti. So the festival calendar ends with Ramanavami. April onwards, again, new year starts. Vishuddha Siddhanta Panchangam. So I was telling these festivals, these Utsavas, today also is Kalpataru Day. If you think about Kalpataru as Sri Ramakrishna, the wish fulfilling tree, not just on 1st January. Somehow or the other, 1st January stamp has been fixed. It has been imprinted from him. That was the day he gave the maximum, that is the belief, maximum to the maximum number of people. Tomader, Tomader, Tomader. In Bengali, Tomader means me andari, all of you. Otherwise, in Dakshineshwar, he did it. Or in Shampukur, he did it. In Kashipur, on 23rd December, he did it. But there were only 2 or 3 people like that. But that day, 1st January, it was mass. Swami Shardanji writes and others write. Sri Ramakrishna took the, what is that? Big jar, earthen jar. And in that earthen jar, there is nothing but bliss, Anandam, Paramanandam, Brahmanandam, Premanandam, whatever Anandam adjectives you give. He broke it in the marketplace. That is 1st January. Sri Ramakrishna took that pot and he broke it in the marketplace so that Anandam will sprinkle all over the world. So much suffering, so much of misery, so much of cruelty, so much of arrogance. How much in this small burra, small brain we have stored up, spitting venom. So much luggage, stones and stones. What are we doing? Why are we doing this? Pashutvam to Manushyatvam. Then go back to Pashutvam. Or go forward to Daivatvam. That is where Kalpataru. Sri Ramakrishna gave a, what you call, dhakka mara. From backside, he gave a push, a strong push. Tomader Chaitanya hook. It's not an ordinary thing. Mi andari Chaitanyam Jagritam Avugaka. Let your spiritual consciousness be awakened. In English, we say, all of you. All of you. Tomader. What is that, all of you? Any 5 people? 50 people? No, all of you. 100 people? All of you. It is like a rocket being sent into space. Will it go 1,000 kilometers? It will go. Will it go 5,000 kilometers? It will go. Will it go 1 lakh kilometers? It will go. Space. Will it go 5 lakh kilometers? It will go. Infinite, it will be going. Space. Mahakasha. In that Mahakasha, imagine these fellows are there. Stars are there. Galaxies are there. Planets are there. Millions and millions and millions. And that Mahakasha is Sri Ramakrishna. Vishwarupa, Vishwarupa, Vishwabhava, Vishwamanava, Sri Ramakrishna. So we should not take this lightly or just for some devotion and for some puja. There's much more for all of you and your family. All of you and your family. And you will have hundreds of relatives, neighbors, colleagues, students, people opposite your house, in your lane, in your community. Number is ad infinitum, right? So Sri Ramakrishna, Omkara Vedya. By Omkaram we can reach him. Purusha Puranaha. Thou art the primeval being, Purana Purusha. Purana Purusha, Sri Ramakrishna. Sought to be known through the Omkara. Omkara Ved. Ved means knowing, with Dhatu. Through Omkara we can know Sri Ramakrishna. Purana Purusha. Purusha Purana. Bhutes Buddhescha Sakshi Nikilasya Janto. In all creatures, thou art the witness of their self-conscious intelligence. Buddhi Sakshi, self-conscious intelligence. Nikhilasya Janto. Janto means all creatures. Yo veti sarvam nachayasya veta. Thou knowest all, but there is none that knowest thee. Sri Ramakrishna knows you, knows me, knows all the millions and millions of beings on this earth. But we are not able to know him because of andhakar in our mind. Paratma Rupo Bhuvi Ramakrishna. Thou Ramakrishna, O Ramakrishna, Supreme Self manifest as the Lord incarnate on the earth. What a beautiful message. Now you see, Omkara Vedya Purusha Purano Buddhescha Sakshi Nikhilasya Janto Yovetti Sarvam. Yovetti Sarvam. He knows everything. Nachayasya Vetta. Others will not know. Paratma Rupo Bhuvirama Krishna. Meditate on this. Think about this. As I told in one of the satsangs, meditate on the Leela of God, stories of God, qualities of God, name of God, and what? Rupa of God, form of God. Form, Rupa Dhyana, name, Nama Dhyana. Stories, Leela Dhyana. Qualities, Guna Dhyana. So what is this shloka telling? Guna. Who is that Ramakrishna? How do I understand this Ramakrishna? Is it just a picture that I see called Ramakrishna? But is that all? So there is something else deeper in him. Kasmai Devaya Havisha Vidmahe. Who is that Mahapurusha to whom all the offerings are going on? This is all very, very important. Please be a little more, what you call, philosophical, darshanik, not just Pauranik. Pauranik, one stroke, everything is over. And you have Tameva Mata, Tameva Pita, Tameva Bandhu, Tameva Sakha, and Prasadam Dadatu. Okay. Prasadam, my salva will be there offered, and our concentration will go there only. So, Omkara Vedya, Purusha Purana. Please repeat. Omkara Vedya, Purusha Purano, Buddhescha Sakshi, Nikhilasya Janto, Yovetti Sarvam, Nachayasya Veta, Paratma Rupo, Bhuvirama Krishna. So this is simple. This one stanza 1 week hota hai. It is sufficient for 1 week. one word is 1 day. Omkara Vedya. Think about it whole of today, because till now it is only 6:30. Still another 6 hours is there. Write down all of you. Some are writing down. I can see that. Somebody in Bengaluru is writing. Somebody in Pune is writing. Somebody in Hyderabad is writing. And some are daydreaming. And somebody is Mumbai. Mumbai wala is writing. Somebody in Singur is writing. Somebody in Kolkata is writing. And some are staring the sky. What the Swami is talking. Okay. First line kya hai? Omkara Vedya. If you split it, easy for you to mark it. Omkara Vedya means primordial beings ought to be known through Omkara. Next, Purusha Purano. The primordial being. Primordial means oldest being. Purana Purusha. Purusha Purano. Next, Buddhescha Sakshi. Witness of self-conscious intelligence. Buddhescha Sakshi, of whom Janto, Nikhilasya Janto, all creatures. You are the witness. As the Antaryamin, Krishna says in the 10th chapter of the Gita, Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarva Bhutashayastitaha aham adischa madhyancha bhutanamanta eva cha. Aham Atma. Who is your Atma? Aham. Who is that Aham? Not your ego, not your ID card, Aadhaar card, voter card. वही नहीं है. Aham Atma means Krishna is telling, I am your Atma. So who is our Atma? Sri Ramakrishna. Nikhilasya Janto. Okay. Yo vetti sarvam. Third line. Yo vetti sarvam. Nachayasya vetta. You know everything, but we don't know you. Yo vetti sarvam. Nachayasya vetta. Last sentence. Paratma Rupo Bhuvi Ramakrishna. Lord incarnate on the earth. O Ramakrishna, you are the supreme self manifest. Paratma Rupo. Bhuvi Ramak. Bhuvi means this world, this Brahma, this globe, universe. Bhuvi. So the supreme consciousness came as Sri Ramakrishna form. So when I see Sri Ramakrishna photo, the shloka should come to my mind. And I do that namaskaram, reciting this, repeating this. So the connectivity will be maintained and your bandwidth will not become low. Your Zoom link will not be low. It will be safe. Safe custody. Because the power will come from that supreme source. All right. Okay. So this one shloka, very meaningful. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Read the life of the Lord. Lead Sri Ramakrishna and march on, march on. Just 1 minute, sit quiet. Then we'll move forward to the last part of our satsang. Just close your eyes, please. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Okay. So just for consolidating the mind and keeping it straight, how do you keep the mind? Yata Deepo Nivatasto Nengate Sopama Smruta Yogino Yatachittasya Yunjato Yogamatmanaha. Keep your mind like a lamp in a windless place. That is how the simile is given of a yogi's mind, who keeps it steady and immersed in the Atman, fixed in the Atman. Yogino yatachittasya yunjato yogamatma. And with that steady mind, with that concentrated mind, you can do any work, and that work will be yoga. That work will be perfect. That work will be happy, no stress, no tension. You are cooking, you are painting, you are singing, you are traveling, you are working, you are in the meetings. Okay, that is nothing before this wonderful light. So we'll go into the bhajan aspect of this satsang, which is our tradition, which we have been doing every Sunday and other times. We have with us our devotee, volunteer friend, who is joining us again from Bengaluru, Sri Vishwanath, H.V. Vishwanath, who runs the Sharada Gurukulam. He came and sang he sang last year, 2021. He sang only last year in December of 2021. One special satsang he did bhajans, and he gave his reminiscences, his lessons in the Balak Sangha and other places. So he is fascinated by the satsangam and has been regular. Last time also he sang, and I requested him just a few, maybe an hour or two ago, to sing 2 songs on Sri Ramakrishna. They are all classical hits in Bengaluru Ashram. And since he has come in that line of Swami Purushottamji's bhajans, I request him to sing. On my request, he is there ready, and listen, meditate, and you will know the meaning of it. Vishwanath, namaste, dhanyavadagalaya. Very nice of you. So the platform is yours. You can unmute and yes, you can unmute now.
Namaste, Swami.
Very nice.
So this is a Bengali song. He Ramakrishna, Ramakrishna, Pranam Laho Shri Charane. Please receive my offering of pranams. Tumi Kamar Pukure, Gadadhara Naam Niye Chilo Janma Grahane. You were born as Gadadhara in Kamar Pukur. He Ramakrishna, Ramakrishna, Pranam Laho Shri Charane. He Ramakrishna, Ramakrishna, Pranam Laho Shri Charane. Tumi Kamar Pukore, Gadadhara Naam Niye Chile Janma Grahane. Pranam Laho Shri Charane. He Ramakrishna, Ramakrishna, Pranam Laho Shri Charane. Tumi Kamar Pukure, Gadadhara Naam Niye Chile Janma Grahane. Pranam Laho Shri Charane. Pita Khudiram, Mata Chandramani, Tav Vayashtakhon Ekadash Jani. Pita Khudiram, Mata Chandramani, Tav Vayashtakhon Ekadash Jani. Khelite khelite harale chetan, Khelite khelite harale chetan. Pratham Jyoti Darshane, Pranam Laho Shri Charane. He Ramakrishna, Ramakrishna, Pranam Laho Shri Charane. He Ramakrishna, Ramakrishna, Pranam Laho Shri Charane. Tumi thakile na gare, Bhagirathi tire. Tumi thakile na gare, Bhagirathi tire. Ashile dakhineshware, Ashunayane ma bole. Dakilen Bhavatarini Mar Mandire. Dekha pele Mar Shri Charan Shadhi, Panchavati te lobile Shamadhi. Dekha pele Mar Shri Charan Shadhi, Panchavati te lobile Shamadhi. जटिल वेद वेदांत बुझाले, जटिल वेद वेदांत बुझाले, सरल शिशुर मतने प्रणाम लहो श्री चरणे। हे राम कृष्ण प्रणाम लहो श्री चरणे। तुमी कामार पुकुरे गदाधर नाम, पियचिले जन्म ग्रहणे प्रणाम लहो श्री चरणे। Krishna, Rama Krishna, Pranam Laho Shri Charani, Pranam Laho Shri Charani, Pranam Laho Shri Charani.
Ah, wow, wow. Back to the olden days. So much joy, so much honor. Huh? Let me ask somebody from Kolkata how they felt by listening to the song. Alkananda, come on, Laglo.
Very nice, Maharaj ji.
Ah,
I
खुशी
feel
आइছে
very proud to be a part of Indian culture and heritage.
হ্যাঁ কি ঠান্ডা ঠান্ডা লাগছে তো এখন গরম হয়ে যাবে হ্যাঁ তুমি কামারপুকুরে গদাধর নাম ইন কামারপুকুর ইউ আর বর্ন অ্যাজ গদাধর নিয়েছিলে জন্ম গ্রহণে embodied there born in that punya bhumi called kamarpukur pita kshudiram mata chandramani right tava vayash thakon ekadash jani about 11 years ekadash. What happened there? Sri Ramakrishna is walking, Gadadhar is walking in the paddy field, greenery on the ground, and a blue sky. Then suddenly one big, thick cloud, dark cloud against the blue drop. And then a cranes, white cranes in that, this one, front of that cloud, like a garland. And Sri Ramakrishna, in Christianity, it is called nature mysticism. Nature mysticism. The great saints of Christendom experienced this. Seeing nature, they related it to Christ, with the Lord, with purity. So Sri Ramakrishna fell down. He was eating moody, the marmaralu, puffed rice, everything scattered and full of anandam only. Then somebody saw him lying down. Mother came, brother came, took him to the house and Gadadhar, ki hoiche, what happened? What happened? Oh, Gadai. And full of anand. This fellow has fallen down. And he says, Anandayachi, Anandayachi. So that was the first experience. Tumi thakile na ghore, Bhagirathi tire. So he was always on the banks of the Ganga, Bhagirathi. Ashile Dakshineshware, you came to Dakshineshwar. And Ashru Noyane, Ma, Bole, Dakile. With tears in your eyes, you cried, Ma, mother. You did not sleep. You hit your head on the ground and said, where are you, mother? Ma, Bole. Dekha pele maar, Sri Charone Sad. And because of that intensity, because of that vyakulata, hunger, mother revealed herself to this Gadadhar who became Ramakrishna. Panchavati lobhile samadhi. And in the Panchavati, always samadhi. Just you and I go to sleep. For us, sleep is samadhi, right? So for Sri Ramakrishna, always vertical. He was never horizontal. Then Jotil Veda Vedanto Bujile Sharol Shishur Motone. The Jatil, very tough, very complex Vedantic treatises, like a child you explained. Whether it is Satyam Gnanam Anantam Brahma and so many other, this one, he simply put it in a small story, small parable. Shakti, Shiva, how do you understand? Shakti is snake moving forward. Shiva is a snake sitting in one place. What a wonder, simple. Shakti is moving forward. Shiva is in that coiled position. For that we scratch our head. Who is Shiva? Who is Shakti? Sri Ramakrishna put it into a, that is how the words are. Beautiful. So very nice. Kirtan, there is Bengali Kirtan. Devika ki rakam laglo. Devika bhalo লেগেছে?
খুব ভালো লেগেছে, অনির্বাচনীয়।
তুমি তো এক বড় গায়ক। Harmonium নিয়েছো? She purchased a new harmonium and singing mother's birthday and teaching all her village children. খুব ভালো হয়েছে, খুব সুন্দর। Another song, we won't leave you today. Yes, sir.
Shri Ram, tu सृजन पालन संहारण कर तू ही सृजन पालन संहारण कर शांति शांति विधारण तू ही ब्रह्म ज्योति शांति विधारण तू ही ब्रह्म ज्योति श्री राम तू ही श्री कृष्ण तू ही श्री जगन्नाथ प्रकट हो जगन्नाथ प्रकट हो यह पुण्य भूमि में जगन्नाथ प्रकट हो यह पुण्य भूमि शेखावत सब धर्म सम ज्ञान प्रतीति जगन्नाथ प्रकट हो यह पुण्य भूमि में शिखावत सब धर्म सम ज्ञान प्रतीति धन्य राम कृष्ण तुम धन्य राम कृष्ण तुम दयाल भगवान धन्य राम कृष्ण तुम दयाल भगवान देहु प्रभु ज्ञान देहु प्रभु ज्ञान धन शुद्ध भक्ति देहु प्रभु ज्ञान धन शुद्ध भक्ति श्री राम तुहि श्री कृष्ण तुहि श्री राम तुहि श्री कृष्ण तुहि परब्रह्म नारायण तुहि आदि शक्ति श्री राम तुहि
Jai Ramakrishna, Jai Ramakrishna. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ರೀ. Kalpataru special blessings you have. Or you ate some paisam or what? So that's why temple ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಹಾಡುವಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಶಾಂತಿ ವಿಧಾರಣ ತುಹಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಧನ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ತುಮ. So we will ask our Bengali professor is there, business school management professor. How did he feel? Where is he? কোথায় আছেন দেবাশিস জি? কেমন লাগলো?
স্বামীজি,
কেমন লাগলো বলুন দেখি।
Bad connectivity, but I can understand. With satsang, connectivity doesn't really matter. This internet connectivity.
Yes, yes, yes.
I could still connect. You know. So wonderful. Absolutely.
Yes.
You know, I cannot explain by words.
Cannot explain. That is the cream there. You can't explain cream.
Not possible. Not possible to explain through words.
Yes.
And as I said, one thing we have to accept, we are also grateful to Zoom and technology, because today at least I can sit and listen to all of you. Okay. Though we want to be physically present at the mission, but see the beauty of technology that they are able to connect.
Face to face.
And that is also, I think, Thakur's blessing. He has given this technology only.
Very nice. Very nice.
Excellent.
Two beautiful songs. Very nice. We go to Pune and find out how Hemant reacts.
Pranam Maharaj.
Pranam. How are you?
All good, Maharaj.
Yes.
Can you hear? Pranam Vishwanath ji. Very immersive and transporting songs. This is what I
see the words there, Hemant. Dhanya Ramakrishna tum dayal Bhagavan dehu prabhu gnana dhan aur shuddh bhakti. What more you want on 2nd of January, I say? All your bank balance will be nil and void from today. Gnana dhana. Look at the word Gnana dhana, the wealth of knowledge, supreme knowledge, and Shuddha Bhakti, pure devotion. Please bless me that. Yeah. Shanti Vidharana, Tuhi Brahma Jyoti. Yeah. Tell me your feelings. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So, Vishwanath ji, one question. My son is also learning classical music. It's a Hindustani classical. So is there any option to join your classes online from Pune?
Vishwanath,
Definitely, sir.
One customer. Satsang has given you one customer. No problem.
Jnanadhan exchange.
You charge double from Hemant.
Exchange of Jnanadhan. Yes, you said, Maharaj.
Jnanadhan.
Actually, I'm no good at classical music.
But
so I have
bhajans,
learned by way
no?
of teaching others.
Bhajans,
That's my very
Bhajans you
limitation.
can learn. Bhajans you can
But whatever learned, I will be very glad to teach, because that is my primary job. I mean, to teach others what little I know.
Yes.
And thereby I've been learning the alphabet myself.
So if you can kindly share
Yes. My phone number, anybody can
I'll take it from Maharaj. Yeah.
Yes, please. Anybody can join from anywhere. I'll be too glad to teach. We have a group,
Thank you.
WhatsApp group, and any
Thank you
3 or
very
4
much.
members, any time of the day, they come together, we have a class.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Shikana, Devika, join. Zoom.
Yes.
Devika is in Singur in Hooghly district near Jairambati.
Thank you, friend.
And somebody can join from Bengaluru, Christ University, and some Kolkata, Sri Lanka and others. Those who are interested in some bhajan, that attitude, Shashank can join from Mumbai. Okay. And it will be a methodical way of learning, and our volunteers can join. Lakshmi Amma, ela undindi bhavam japandi, meer bhavam lo gidipota. Lakshmi Amma.
Namaste, Maharaj.
ఆనందంగా ఉందా ఏంటి? భావం చెప్పు.
The moment I hear Ramakrishna's name, Maharaj,
Yes.
immediately my mind goes to Dakshineshwar. And
Absolutely,
so
absolutely.
I forget everything, and even to focus on the other part of the song,
Yeah,
because
yeah, yeah.
that
Yes.
name is I can't express. Ramanama and Ramakrishna Nama. It's
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, I can't. As Hemant Garu said, and the others can't express. This is
True, true, true. Very, very. So deep.
and that too listening from such devotees like Vishwanath Garu.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's more sweeter.
More sweeter. Yes. Makarandam, Makarandam. Very nice. I think somebody from Bangalore has joined. Shanti Badriji. Are you the same Shanti Badri?
Namaste, Swamiji.
Namaste. Where are you? How are you? Nice seeing you on 2nd of Jan.
I
2022.
know. I am blessed. Today,
Very
I think
much.
the divine intervention always happens in life, no, Swamiji?
Yes, yes.
So the message comes, you need to log in and get into the satsang, and that's
True,
how it
true.
was for me.
True.
And
Very
listening
nice.
to the learning of music, Swamiji, I think I'm also going to become a disciple of Vishwanath Ji.
Welcome.
You are nearby Bangalore only. Yeah.
Yes.
Please, Shanti Ma, please introduce yourself for the benefit of our local and others.
I think I am blessed because Swamiji has chosen me to all the time keep me in his fold, guiding me and blessing me all the time. So I met Swamiji long time back. It's about 20 plus years. No, Swamiji, more than
Yes,
that.
yes, 20,
It's a
sure.
long association. So it started off in Chennai, continued in Coimbatore, then in Bangalore. I was an educationist, and right now I'm a retired person. I'm retired and connecting with my own self, Swamiji. That is what I can say.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Very nice. Very nice seeing you in Zoom. Right of the pandemic.
Anything I can do, Swamiji, now I have prioritized that as my goal.
Absolutely.
So if there is anything that you feel I should do, I'll be very happy.
Immediately we'll catch you. Yuva Sangarsh is going on. Youth Leadership
Yes.
Award contest.
Yes, Swamiji.
Gita is there. Gita.
I'll just
Swamiji. Good evening.
Yeah, please give your number and to her also, and make her one of the judges next session. Okay.
Sure, Swamiji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is still 2 sessions are there. One Indian cultural arts and essay writing, and then still another 15 students are there to be heard. Yeah, as far as this one is concerned, you can just get in touch and get her involved. Online, since it's all online, we can do wonders.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. How is my 2 sisters? One
Sai is, the younger one is graduating this coming September. Swamiji, she finishes her neuroscience PhD. So I would be traveling. I'm going to be there at that time.
Okay. Okay.
And
Toronto.
then she's into science policy, so she also wants to come back to the country and see what way she can work on this.
Okay.
And other Anjana is with Tata Institute of Fundamental Research.
Yeah. Wow. Very nice. And there is another Chennai girl exported to Bangalore. She was the youth leader. She was the youth leader last year online. Very powerful speaker. And Prashanti, please introduce yourself and get connected with Amma.
Yes, Maharaj. Namaste to Maharaj. Namaste to all the dignitaries here and to Amma. Thank you so much, Maharaj, for connecting. So
dignitaries, devotees.
Oh,
Dignitaries, it has become a speech competition.
Of course, Maharaj, like they're doing so much things. So yeah, dignitaries. Okay, devotees. So I'm from Chennai basically, and now currently I'm doing my bachelor's in history, economics, and political science at Christ University, Bangalore, Amma. So it would be great if I can get connected with you as well here.
Lovely. I look forward. I think, Swamiji, we are going to have our own Bangalore group. A long time back, you wanted this to happen.
Yes. It will happen. And a couple of them are there. I will do a networking and one meeting also.
Definitely, Maharaj. Yeah, definitely.
Very nice. Lovely. Very nice. Okay. Vishwanath ji, again, Vandanamalu, Vandanagalu, Vandanegalu.
Good evening, Maharaj.
Yes.
This is Dr. Ravi Shankar from Bangalore.
Ravi, Dr. Ravi, not ordinary.
Yes, actually, I just I had no plans to join today, but I'm very blessed. And also, I would like to share. I was a disciple of Vishwanath for some time.
Disciple.
Balak Sangha disciple.
Balak Sangha, and also I learned bhajans from Vishwanath.
Yes, yes. See how close is the family.
Yes.
Ravi, yes. Ravi is ENT specialist there in Bangalore. And he spoke about his experiences couple of these months ago, weeks ago. Time flies. Nice seeing all of you. Vishwanath, again, thank you. And next week, Manachala Nijaniketane. Same time, since convenient, you can fix and your students and all can come. Manachala Nijani, because we will be nearing to Swamiji's this one. And that another song, Swamiji Harta Idrilla. Dosh Karan Aigoma. Possible, right? Swamiji used to sing, Sri Ramakrishna used to sing that, Dosh Karan Aigoma. And a couple of them are there. These are all old traditional songs, and translations are there, but the originality we can feel it, how Sri Ramakrishna used to sing and all that. It will be a very good satsangam, very good approach. And a couple of quick announcements before we disperse for the day. Local people, please join us for voluntary work. Our volunteers are there online, and now also they are joining us. Couple of them are there who are going to institutions to spread the message of February 13th. People from across also can participate in that signature campaign. February 13th, Vivekananda's first speech in Hyderabad in his life. This is the historic event which happened on February 13th. So just like September 11th in Chicago, February 13th in Hyderabad is very special. So we are planning to contact the government, etc., to call it Vivekananda Day in Telangana in Hyderabad. So we request your support, your participation, and local people can get connected, visit the colleges, visit the schools to talk to students and get their signatures, their parents' signatures. And as early as possible by Pongal, by Sankranti time, we want to reach out to the government. This is the point there. Then 12th January will be a very big day. The government of India also has taken it very seriously. We got 2 letters already from the Ministry of Culture, the Ministry of Youth Affairs, that they want to get connected with Ramakrishna Mission in all over the world, all over the country especially. So we also are planning an offline camp for 500 students, restricted. Normally 4,000 or 5,000 used to come on 12 January. We'll make it 500. The rest will be online live streaming. But to organize it, we need public support and student support, your education institution support. And please get up. We'll be sending you the messages. Those who are getting the message somehow or the other can write to me in WhatsApp or write to me in email, and we will send a message to you. Those who are not in our list, our communication list, notification list. Okay. So please, everybody participate. Urgita volunteer is there, devotee, and she will take care of that, and she will spread the message. And Kavya is there, another volunteer. And so a couple of elderly people also are there in the team. So please participate and see that 12 January function will be a grand success in your own places also. Somebody in Kolkata, somebody in Pune, somebody in Bombay. It is all India, pan-India program, 12 January. So we also are having physical and live streaming in Hyderabad. And we get connected. We are invited by some of our centers online. And that is all part of a big. In Bangalore, Shanti and all can get connected with our devotee group. In 4 days, they are covering 160 colleges in Bangalore. Okay, they need somebody to talk, to guide. They want to cover 2 lakh students with the message of strength, character, discipline, and inspiration. So since you're all known to us, please, I'll send you the names of the people who are involved in this, young people. There are 50, 60 faculty, volunteers, somebody sponsoring for their books, and so a lot of work. 4 days, 160 colleges is not a joke.
Yeah.
And in a place like Bangalore. So traveling, etc. Some are online, some are offline, but it will be a very good contribution to Swamiji's message. Okay. So these are all part of the programs in the next couple of days. So we seek your this one. Next Sunday, we meet again. We meet again next Sunday at 5:30 as usual. Okay. So we end with a stotram for the day. Om Priyatam Pundarikakshaha Sarvayagneswaro Harihi Tasmin Tushte Jagat Tushtam Prenite Prenitam Jagat Harihi Om Tat Sat Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Shubharatri, Shubharatri, Shubharatri to all of you. Shubhadinam, Shubhavaram. And tomorrow evening onwards, 5 days, there is a course on self-confidence and character building. So those who have not joined, young people, professionals, or your students, relatives can join that. 5 days, evening 6:15 to 7:30, self-confidence and character building. Please send the notice to everybody, and all of you are so welcome to get more knowledge and more joy. Thank you. We'll leave the meeting now. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Thank you, Swamiji.